I'm Karine with 24 Hour Bookkeeper. Let's talk trial balance. Super exciting, I know. The trial balance is actually very important because it makes a good starting point when you're either creating a new set of books, or you might be switching software, or maybe your CPA's been holding your information the entire time and now you're looking to create the information yourself and manage it forward. When it comes to finding your trial balance, there's a couple places that you could actually get it. So if you're already on QuickBooks and you're starting a new QuickBooks file, just go into your existing file, go to the reports menu, and you can easily search for the trial balance. If your CPA was maintaining your books before, just ask for it. What's important about the trial balance is the date. You might think, okay, I actually can only start my file at the beginning of the year, when in reality that's not the case. You could pick the end of the month or even the end of the year to start. You just have to make sure that your financials are updated and reconciled. Something to consider with your trial balance is that it's going to be kind of long because it combines both your profit and loss line items and your balance sheet line items as one report. So I'm going to touch on accounts payable and accounts receivable. When you see the number for accounts payable or accounts receivable, it actually is made up of all your open invoices or bills. So when you enter that trial balance, you have to consider that there will be one more step in entering all those open transactions to make sure that your financials are properly set up. When you enter a trial balance, say you have a separate document, make sure that you scan it in and attach it to the transaction, because you never know throughout the time of updating your financials when you might have to reference that trial balance. And if you attach it to the transaction, it'll be an easy reference and an easy pull. The best way to enter a trial balance is to use the journal entry function in QuickBooks Online. So you're going to open up a journal entry and you're going to enter the trial balance just as you see it on the paper. Every account should be the same, every dollar amount should be the same, and it should match the debit and credit column. A journal entry in QuickBooks Online does not save if it does not balance. So if it does not allow you to save it, you might have entered a number incorrectly. The trial balance is some high-level stuff, so if you're struggling, definitely reach out. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more tips and information like this.